Are we on?
Inhugumentary.
I don't see the red flashing light.
I do.
That's because. Now, I believe that they could either be quotes from themselves or quotes from other people. Like, for example, Theodore Roosevelt or Quentin Tarantino. I don't know if he said anything wise, but
Yeah, probably not.
lots of blood makes a movie good. You know, something like that. It rhymes. It's catchy. Okay.
Blood and good don't rhyme.
In old poetry, they do.
Blood and good. A lot of blood makes a movie good. A lot of blood makes a
If
movie
rain
good.
and again rhyme,
Rain and again don't rhyme.
they do in old poetry.
Orange
Rhyme
and orange.
and again.
Porridge. Orange and orange do rhyme.
What? No, there's an H in there.
Orange.
Door hinge. It's not orange. It's orange. Unless you're saying orange.
No, it's the inch part.
Oh yeah.
Orange, door hinge.
No.
Yeah.
We should look.
Now it's time for a new episode of Steven Edition called Debate Eminem's Rhymes. No.
No.
No, but there's a rhyming website, and you can look up
Rhymes
word.
up. That is the basicest website.
Okay, we need to check. This is high.
Standards.
Quality?
No. Priority.
High
It is.
priority. Oh wow.
Says the person who pulls out his iPad and then the other person who looks at it
What?
while he's doing stuff on his own.
I'm trying to remember what the type. Oh, rhymes up.
No.
We have to.
Hello, my name is John, and the entire point of this is so that we can do Steven and Dixon.
Oh, the only result is door hinge.
You're kidding me.
I entered orange, and the only result
I wanna see this for myself.
is door hinge.
Oh wait, it has 2 syllables.
I want to see this for myself.
Door hinge.
That is ridiculous.
That is the only result.
Notice how it's not underlined, because nobody says door hinge. Let's go to number 6. This one is a quote from an outside source. I like you. Seal of approval. Really fake.
What do you mean outside source?
As in, it wasn't his own quote. It was a quote from the seal of approval.
What's the seal of approval?
It's the seal.
A
Seal.
Like a seal?
Like the seal of approval. It's an internet picture.
It is.
Yes.
It's
Remember,
like a
it's like
seal?
it's like the animal. It's a
like
seal
a seal?
of approval, and it's a seal saying, I like you. It's a seal of approval.
These
It's an internet
days.
picture.
Wait, I need to.
No!
No, you can't do that.
What?
You can't look up the quote.
I was gonna look up the picture.
No.
Oh, I understand it now. I understand why I can't do that.
Yes.
I just realized that.
Wait till.
It's 11:11.
Wait till the end.
Make a wish! Oh, it just turned 11, 12.
Why would you even make a wish?
It's 999, make a wish! Wait.
999.
999?
That makes sense in no context.
444, make a wish. It's 333, make a wish. It's 222, it's make a wish. It's 111, it's make a wish. It's 000.
That's midnight.
Go.
Are you in focus is the real question.
I don't know.
I'm focused.
I'm not.
No, are you in focus?
Oh.
I'm
It's
not
a camera
focused.
term.
Oh.
My eyes are tired. Did you know that the same kind of thing got stuck in my eye again? Like here in my left eye. But it got out in a few seconds, so. Did you stop the camera?